our spring summer catalog launch is another new product. This is that water bottle holder. Again, with the fun colors, you got it's almost like an orange, right? A burnt orange, and then we get the neon green, all right? So this guy, first and foremost, can carry up to a 32-ounce bottle. Yes, it does cinch up so that it stays nice and secure in there. See, I love how that is. On the outside, you do have a large pocket so you can put your keys, your phone, and all that fun stuff that are loose. And it is a crossbody, which is adjustable. On the inside, it has that thermal lining on here, so it keeps your contents cool, warm, temperature friendly. All right. So boom, there you go. This is the new water bottle holder, and let me put it on for you so you can see how far this can go. So this is a great like crossbody when you're going on a hike or something fun like that, right? Look, I'm going for a hike. Let me go for a hike in my heels. All right. If you want more information on this, feel free to reach out to me. Quick note on the other one, I love how it's a wine bottle. They actually cinched a little travel wallet right here. This is so amazing and cute. And look at this fun stuff that you have right here. It's made of like plastic, the plastics material. Super nice. Everything is wipeable. This is like it feels like a wipeable material. I love that. If you want the catalog, all that fun stuff, make sure to subscribe. Check out these awesome playlists that I got for you for the spring and summer catalog.